Meteksan Defence actually is one of the leading defense electronics company in Türkiye. We are producing high technology products for the armed forces. We are building high technological radars for the protection of borders and infrastructures. And also we have some jammers for electronic warfare with various types of jammers, reactive jammers, which can be carried by a single soldier or bigger one which can be used in standalone.
GNSS receivers become more intelligent structure. They are using more sophisticated algorithms to take the ECCM techniques, to take the electronic countermeasure precautions in the receivers. However, in the ECCM structures taken in the GNSS receivers, they should take the controls such as the position, the timing, signal structure. They are looking at the signal structures. The initial location information is very critical for us. In the same end, we detect the target with our radar and electro-optical systems. Then we generate the spoofing waveforms synchronously. We start the deception from the real position of the target. Then we apply small directs to the target. Actually, these anti-jamming technologies in the worldwide has been started with the 4-channel CRPA antennas, which supporting single GNSS L1 band actually. If there's a jamming and spoofing, you should take the ECCM techniques, you should implement these electronic counter measure techniques inside your receiver. Moreover, we have embedded our receiver algorithms in our anti-jam GNSS unit. We are providing this kind of units in a single package, in a single LRU. Consequently, the operational needs shape the architecture of this kind of systems. Actually, MERT system covers the whole VHF band with the receiving channels instantaneously. We cover all of the VHF band. This system is developed to meet the operational needs actually. It's a portable system. It can be transported to the fields the big jammer vehicles cannot reach. We can transport this system via small vehicles or helicopters. It's designed with respect to these structures. Actually, conventional active jammers doesn't contain any receiving channels. They are all sending jamming waveforms in the whole frequency band, and the targets are intended to use the frequencies are not jammed by the conventional jammers.
For the staff member who are traveling with the platforms for especially for special operations, and as you know, it is very dangerous and nearly impossible to train them on board. So you need a training facility on shore. In addition to military applications, these solutions are addressing the civilian requirements such as search and rescue, industrial facilities, and they are all designed to meet the universal standards. Our capabilities include embedded systems, hydraulic and mechanical system design, 3D modeling, control systems, active and passive simulations, reverse engineering of existing platforms, and control systems for training simulators. The damage control training simulator, firefighting simulator, and helicopter underwater escape training simulator was successfully delivered to Turkish naval forces, and they are being operational since 2016.